and gentlemen, to a special Paying for the Cure edition, in which it will be, instead of your typical prize toast, you have a villain here who has honestly absolutely no idea what he's doing, but we're going to find out what happens. So buckle your seatbelt, Dorothy. Candace is going bye-bye.
This is the very first time that my husband will pour. I've been asking it for a long time, and I'm so thankful and grateful that he say yes for today's special pour. Okay, so what colors are you gonna use?
We've got ourselves aquamarine blue. We got ourselves some cadmium blue green light and some turquoise, and after much insistence, violet. Now,
Yeah. So
backstory here is I have never been much one way or the other for purple, but ever since my colleague and my daughter's godfather kept coming to work in purple polo shirts and reminding me of what Jack Nicholson in the 1989 Batman movie as Joker looked like wearing a purple suit. Between both images, he didn't actually remind me, but wearing purple reminded me of that movie. So between both images, I persuaded one of my colleagues who are no longer with the company to get me my very first purple shirt, and ever since then, I've been admiring purple everywhere I see it. So, therefore, I will add some violet in there as our representative of purple. So, let's go ahead and get started with pouring some color in here.
I'm gonna make it close up. I'm just holding the phone because the tripod is not doing great. Just don't put too much. You can make it half to the other. Oh, it's okay.
Well, I'm gonna put all 4 colors in the cup, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see what happens.
Enough? Enough?
Okay.
Okay. This is violet.
Our purple infusion here.
Okay. Oops.
Good?
Yeah.
Fantastic. So now I just start pouring, right?
Yeah. No, you need to put also the 2 cup.
Is it okay to pour with just 1 cup, or does it have to be multiple cups?
You need to put paint first, so the 2 cup before you start pouring.
And you have to have 2 cups then, huh? Okay.
You need to have 3 cups to fill that 14 by 14.
I thought I was just gonna like whatever.
No.
I mean,
No. Okay.
whatever you want, dear. Whatever you want. The bottle farted! Apologize, bottle, apologize! That's very rude. You should never fart in public. Oh, never mind, it's just a bottle.
Okay, enough. Enough?
Okay.
Enough.
Okay.
And then also the other cup, put a paint.
As you wish.
Enough?
And as you wish, for those who are out there, is a phrase used by the character Wesley in the movie Princess Bride, where he expressed his love and admiration for the lovely lady by always saying "as you wish." So it was his way of giving her his heart. So, Honey Bunch, as you wish.
Oh, dum 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 dum.
Okay, there you go.
Did you put purple also already?
Empty.
Okay. So you.
I can try.
You can remove the leads. Maybe there's some more. Yeah, I have not mixed my paints because I'm out of Lutol.
Farted again. Naughty bottle. You're going timeout.
You can add more of the green so that it will
As you wish.
fill.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can layer more because it's not gonna be enough for the canvas. So you can add more paint. You can add more blue or turquoise or green on that.
Onto which one?
Yeah, in all colors if you want.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you suggest I do?
Whatever
you're the expert here.
No, whatever technique you want. If you want to make like a ribbon style, like you're pouring like a ribbon like that, splashing, or like that. And then, wow. And then the center, you're gonna create more. I think your paints are not enough. Yeah, you need more. Wow! 2 and 1.
I'm gonna do the fandango, the fandango, the fandango. Wee-haw! Okay, that's all.
There's more? There's more paint? No.
It's bottom of the barrel there.
And then you're gonna... I don't know what you create on that.
I didn't create anything. I just poured.
Yeah, you forgot to use the
What?
gloves. Oops. It's
Do I need gloves or just wash my hands?
okay. Then you're gonna... Yeah. That's called tilting until you fill all the gap of the canvas. Then
without losing too much of the paint.
you can see it. Just in here so that we're not gonna dirt that. Wow. Look his expression.
I'm doing a dance with the canvas. And my hands try to avoid getting into the paint while covering the whole canvas there. There's 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Wee-hoo! We made it! Congratulations, paint. You did a great job. Gold medal, you guys.
Look the pattern. So he picked the colors that he wanted. Wow, you did great, honey boy.
I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
Look, I love the pattern.
Okay, good. Good. Good.
Careful.
Whee! You gotta get the last corner there. Last corner. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know you want to do it. You know you want to do it. Come on. Come on, come on, get over the edge. Yeah, you did it. We're so proud of you. Way to go, my little munchkin. Okay, good. All 4 corners are in the
Yay!
box.
So what's the feeling now that you did your first pour?
Oh, I missed a spot.
Oh my god, that's so fun.
Jeez, it's messy, is what I'll tell you.
So there's a tape at the back, so even he hold the back, it's not gonna make the back dirty.
Jeez.
And the excess, I love the pattern. Look guys, it's so nice.
It's not getting on the corner properly.
Oh.
There's still a white spot there, you know, it's not doing it right.
What you can do, honey, is you can just tap it.
Tap it.
Yeah. No, no, not like that. Okay. Put it back. Put it. Yeah. Oh, careful.
Got a spot
yeah.
there, a spot there, a spot there.
Yeah. See that there's some paints in this cover. Dip your fingers and tap it like that. Yeah. Yes. Wow.
Mika would love that.
Oh, tomorrow Mika's gonna pour. She said she want to paint. Look. It's just that the color does not give justice because it's night. It's almost 11.
I'm wondering if it would be better if I were to tip it up from this side and bring this close towards the middle. It's not moving. Just a little bit. But it's not working right because it's just stretching that out.
Okay, so this is the pattern. Oh, look how amazing. What do you call to your pour?
I don't have a name for it yet. But I do approve of all the colors.
Yeah, he picked the colors that he like. So on this side.
Thank you everyone for watching this pour. Thank you very much for my awesome, wonderful, beautiful wife for all the instruction and encouragement. And a tribute to the maestro herself. She's an amazing artist. Please feel free to check out all of her content. She does amazing work up and down her channel. All of her techniques are amazing, and we have a house full of her delightful artwork. I can't thank you enough for this experience and this opportunity. Hope everyone out there enjoyed it. If you just happen to be browsing through the web and happen upon this video, please hit like and subscribe. It greatly helps out the channel. And until next time, thank you for watching.